kind of colder up here.
Yeah, your sandwich looks so good.
First, go, clutch, neutral, brake. Madness. Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlog and hope you're having a good day. We actually woke up pretty early. I slept 2 hours ago. I was editing this vlog. We came out here to watch the sunrise. However, there's again no sunrise because it's cloudy and the sun's not coming out. I think we're just gonna get coffee and drive around for a little bit and just fingers crossed we get something here.
Living up life too quick, right around my new lemonade, my cognac, hitters in my contact. Live it up life too quick, right around my new lemonade, my cognac, hitters in my contact.
Change of plans, the Starbucks it is. Yeah, just really dope. Well, we just came out here in one of the local restaurants to have some breakfast, and it's like one of the nice ones here in OC. It's actually in Delaware side, so we're gonna have some breakfast and then go drive around a little more and have some more videos and photos and videos and everything. But for now, it's food vlog.
Yeah, that's the cream, that's the sausage, I'm sure.
I was gonna buy like this regular stuff, but then like the rocks were falling off.
Ooh, yeah.
Coffee a day keeps the worries away.
Or did not happen, right?
Yeah, your sandwich looks so good.
Yeah, Shoes' car there, and Chris's car here. It's pretty windy out here. Let me show you. Yeah, so I'm gonna go take some photos and videos, and then yeah, let me roll the beer.
Leave a hater in anguish, test drive your main. Better watch your language. You team switch, I lane switch. Energy on fuego. Hennessy, my fago. Wonder where my day go. Sleep while my pay grow. Wrapping up my game leaf. Wrapping up this convo. Finish up my EP. It's cracking at my condo. Tell the plug, bring more now. I'ma need that refill.
So it started raining, and we're gonna go back to the room just a little bit to just chill down, and then I think we're gonna head to the boardwalk, right?
That's
We're
right.
gonna head to the boardwalk, have some ice cream for sure, and then come back out again in the afternoon, go drive a little bit more, and that's pretty much it for now. I dig these new C8 so much. And then there's that Plymouth. Another T8 here. Holy moly, it looks good. It is finally time to go on the boardwalk before it gets dark and have some ice cream, I believe. So pretty excited. Last time I didn't have ice cream, even though I said we're gonna have ice cream, but this time I'm gonna have some ice cream. Believe it or not, it's been almost 6 months. It's have a good one.
Yeah, what's good, bro? You popping out tonight? You playing the crib? I know you probably staying in the crib.
Say no more. You already know.
Pop out.
I'm always.
Cheers.
Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm trying to get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm keeping it cool. Talking my money, then pull up a stool. Follow your dreams, then go back to school. Whoa, still on my grind, taking my time, stars aligning. We going hard, we came far, it's perfect timing. ISO, we going up, we from the island.
So I was here yesterday to see the sunrise. However, it was cloudy, just like today. Again, look at it. I came to give it another chance to see if it's actually gonna give me a sunrise or not. And I think it might, because there's some red all the way down there. But who knows? It might be just the red now and then no sound again, as the past couple weeks. There's just a little red in the sky, but that is not the sun at all. Yeah, out here, and Separ's flying a drone. He's trying to follow me and then make a little video together. Actually, I'll bring my skateboard with me all the time, but I never actually use it. I'm not a skateboarder. I don't really know how to ride skateboard that good, but every now and then it's kind of cool to have a skateboard with me. I hope I don't fall, because if I fall, that my camera's gonna go to shit, and this is not gonna be a good way to spend $3,000 into the pothole. So we just left the house and gonna go grab something to eat and then hit the road. It's been real fun, and can't wait to be back again.
Never settle, I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm trying to get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She trying to holler what's up. I'm with this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah.
That's the crazy part about going back home. Every single time we try past the Bay Bridge, it's always traffic, and now we have almost like 20 minutes extra on top of our journey, like normal journey, because it's traffic. This madness is an enemy to manual cars. All I have to do is like go, clutch, neutral, brake. First, go, clutch, neutral, brake. First, go, clutch, neutral, brake. Madness.
Hottest out, I don't be making a scene. Vibe a track, you can see how they cling. Set the table, you gon' see what I bring. I got a lot, keep me a knot. Staying hungry every day is a feast. Got the spot, don't make it hot. Coast to coast, but we reppin' the east. Yeah, yeah, still on my grind, taking my time. Stars aligning. We going hard, we came far, it's perfect timing. Yeah, ISO, we going up. We from the islands, yeah. Came from the rub, we from the dirt, turned to a diamond.
Well, I finally made it back home, safe and sound, even though it was a crazy traffic behind the Bay Bridge. As always, every time we try to leave early and get to Bay Bridge before the traffic, we always get there when the traffic is actually starting. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog too, and if you did, make sure to like and comment down below. Let me know if you like the travel vlog, and also subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And that brings me to the end of this vlog. Thanks again for watching. Till I see you guys in the next one.